Truck spills more than 200,000 dice onto highway. You love this, Will. Will's smirking.
I saw it too.
Hey, man. Hold the
It's
camera. Hold the camera. He saw it. He saw it. I don't know why.
I didn't read up on it.
I don't know why
saw
this
the
was
title.
amusing to me. People in the comments were trying to figure out what all the dice would amount to in a roll. They got to 756,000.
Yeah.
Maybe it's just funny because it's dice. Is that right? Like, it could have been a lot of little things that fell on the highway, but the fact that all the dice were effectively rolled at once, is it some sort of a record?
Everyone got a shot.
Is it some sort of a record
shot.
for number of dice rolled in one moment? Maybe. It's a tremendous number of dice. Apparently, they were set to be delivered to a gaming company named Trivium Studios. I should just, for those of you just listening, a truck is traveling along the highway. Somehow it loses its cargo. The back door flies open or something. It was carrying nothing but dice. Why do I like that? Why do I like the fact that there's a transport vehicle filled with nothing but dice? That to me is somehow fun, Will.
It was their mission for this truck to transport
dice.
A ton of dice.
It's like, what do you got there?
Location.
What do you got in there? Your load there today, Bobby? Who, me? I got dice today. Like, that's not every day. Like, how many dice are moving around on any given day between different points of the globe? I don't know. What is the dice market? How's the dice market looking? What's happening to board games? Are they hot or not? I don't know. Apparently, they're making a comeback because this was a truck full of 216,000 six-sided dice. So somebody was about to make a bunch of board games, Willie Do. You see how that goes? Anyway, so the highway is shut down, basically, and they're sweeping up dice forever, for a while. Though it's like a whole...
it's quite dangerous, too, eh? Like,
if you drive...
It would be similar to a rock. If any cars would drive,
it would be like a carpet. If you hit it all at once, no traction. It would be like hitting ice. You would just.
But also the kick up of the dice.
Yeah,
might hit a couple windshields there.
The kick up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I mean, I never thought we'd be talking about the dice kick up.
Yeah.
On the interstate, but that's the reality of 2019. This is the kind of stuff that happens in 2019. It's a crazy world out there. 216,000 dice.
Well, hopefully the dice are okay and healthy.
They are. It's funny, man. They're cleaning up these dice. It's like there's something funny about it. I don't know why. I can't pinpoint what it is, but apparently, like I said, the comment section have been very comedic on the original upload. Trivium Studios is an Atlanta-based tabletop and video game company, and the dice were meant for a tabletop game to be launched in 2020. A representative for the company did not immediately respond to a request for comment. So, I don't know. They're probably insured. They're going to get their dice. The insurance company's going to have to pay for it. What do you think, Will, 200,000 dice are worth? What are they, like 10 cents each?
Yeah, maybe super cheap. Like, what? 20.
I mean, there's got to be a spectrum, though. There's got to be some nice.
2,500.
There's got to be some nice dice and some that aren't as nice. And
yeah,
I mean, these ones look pretty nice. They all survived the drop.
How viral did this go?
I don't know. How many views are we looking at here? I have the YouTube clip, which I'm not sure if that's the first place it broke. It's sitting at 100,000 views right now, currently published a couple days ago. So. I mean,
this might sound crazy, but if the company kind of just held on to these dice and then sold them off or something.
Are you going conspiracy right now? Like, dump the dice? No. Dump the dice. No one's going to buy our game. Dump the dice.
No, this could be a
Trivium
collector's
Studios, new game coming up in 2020. Dice game. Remember dice? Dice are fun. You see where I'm going here?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think that's what was going on, to be honest.
Right.
But you had some funny comments on the actual video as well. When and where can we buy the special crash test dice? There are lots of people
That's what I'm saying.
They want to buy the dice. Yeah, I don't know, man.
They could have sold them off.
Freeway dice. And then there's a bunch of people making Dungeons and Dragons jokes, which I don't know anything about. And there's a lot of them.
Yeah.
And Kirk's nodding his head, so he knows all about them. So